Good morning. We're standing here today in front of the Mercat Municipal de Cabanyal. It is one of the great city markets here in Valencia, Spain, and we're going to go inside and take a look around.
Eso está muy de suelo, que cuando viene, ¿qué irías? Y ahora
Hola, otra vez, mira. ¿Puedo una bolsita de esa avena copos?
Bueno, pues voy a consumir.
Well, as promised, here's the map of where that market is. You can see it over the right, near the beach, about 2 or 3 miles from downtown Valencia. You can get there by metro, by Cercanías commuter train, tram, and a few different buses. And one of my favorite places right outside the market is the Bar Cabanyal. They get their fresh fish and other things from the market every day. One of those fancy things that I love is the Mohammed, the smoked tuna, or the tejinas, these wedge clams, and the tortillitas that are absolutely delicious. And the bread served here and in many places in the area is from La Tajona del Abuelo, and their bread is absolutely sensational. So you can see it here, and I'm going to have a clip of me working on some of that bread right here.
So there's a lot of connection between the market at Cabanyal, the restaurant Bar Cabanyal, and the bakery. This is always a great moment. Fresh today. Decided to come over and get some of this. Waffle chunk. Absolutely stunning bread. So this is the bread you get in that restaurant. Incredible. So fresh. So light and airy. You gotta love it. Nice when you can trace back the food that you eat in a restaurant next to one of the great markets in the city. Trace it back to the bakery, where they get their bread every day. Be able to buy that for yourself. Great stuff.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this little tour of the Cabanyal market in Valencia, Spain. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.